In this exercise, we are going to draw a triangle when we know one side and two of its angles. In this case, one of the angles is the one that two semi-straight lines form, and the other one is given by its amplitude, 45 degrees. Let's analyze a generic triangle to see the information given and the way to solve it. According to this triangle, the information given is the following: side A, the angle at this vertex B, and the angle at vertex C. In order to draw this triangle, as always, the most important part is to properly find its vertices, because once we have found them, we only have to join them to have solved the triangle. Once side A is set, we draw the angle at vertex B, since vertex A has to be on this semi-straight line, and we draw the angle at vertex C, since vertex A has to be on this other semi-straight line too. The point where both semi-straight lines meet will be vertex A. First, we draw a straight line to place side A. We mark a point on it, which according to the figure is vertex B, and we copy the length of side A, finding vertex C and getting side A of the triangle. Now, we have to copy angle B on vertex B. Using point B of the angle as center, we draw an arc any radius long that meets both semi-straight lines at points 1 and 2. Using the same radius and center the point where we are going to copy the angle, vertex B of the triangle, we draw another arc that meets the semi-straight line at this point 1. Now we copy the length of the chord 1, 2 using the compass from this point 1, finding this point 2. So the semi-straight line that starts at point B and goes through 2 forms an angle congruent to the given one, which means that vertex A has to be on this line, so side C forms this angle with side A. We also know the amplitude of the angle at vertex C, 45 degrees, which we are going to draw using the compass and straight edge. The 45-degree angle is half the 90-degree angle. Using point C as center and the radius we want, we draw an arc that meets semi-straight line R at point 3. Using point 3 as center and the same radius, we draw an arc that meets the former one at point 4. Using point 4 as center and the same radius, we draw an arc that meets the first one at point 5, and we extend it upwards. And using point 5 as center and the same radius, we draw another arc that meets the former one at this point 6. So the semi-straight line that starts at C and goes through point 6 forms a 90-degree angle with straight line R. In order to draw the 45-degree angle, we have to draw the angle bisector of the 90-degree angle. Using points 3 and 7 as centers and the same radius, the one we want, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 8. So the semi-straight line that starts at C and goes through point 8 forms a 45-degree angle with straight line R, that is, half the 90-degree angle. Vertex A has to be on this straight line, so side C forms this angle B with side A, and vertex A also has to be on this other straight line, so side B forms a 45-degree angle with side A. So this point where these two lines meets both conditions at the same time, so it is vertex A of the triangle. Once we have the three vertices of the triangle, we join them to get it. And we only have to name the remaining elements, sides B and C in this case, having solved the exercise. Let's check that this triangle meets the conditions of the exercise. Side A meets what the exercise asked, and so do angles B and C, so the triangle is properly solved.